So I think we are live now. Hello students and welcome back to bankexamstudy.com. My name is Ramandeep Singh. So today I'm going to share important banking and financial awareness for the month of February. That is the first part for the first 15 days. Just 8 news are there. And this is really important for Indian Bank SO, and first of all for Indian Bank SO, the latest exams, the Indian Bank SO and Bank of Maharashtra credit officer exam. Bank of Maharashtra, the generalist officer. Yeah, there is a generalist officer as well. Generalist officer exam. So this particular lecture is important for both these exams. We are focusing on Indian Bank SO today. So let's start the session. Very important. I'm just sharing important topics with you on this channel as we are focusing on credit officer level exam. We are not focusing on the general awareness or the current affairs because the current affairs are not part of the syllabus. Okay, so let's just start the session. In case you want to download the PDF for this lecture, just follow us on Telegram, right? So here we go. I have already shared it on Telegram. So hi everybody. So WhatsApp received NPCI node for expand its UPI project. So WhatsApp Pay, it's a new payment product by WhatsApp. They were already in the beta version. They have already released a beta version for 1 million users. But now the NPCI has expanded. They allowed WhatsApp to expand its operations, its UPI project to 10 million users. 10 million users or 1 crore users. So 1 crore users, they can do it. The announcement was made by Nandan Nilekani at an IIT industry conclave. Okay. So WhatsApp is a payment feature. WhatsApp Pay is a payment feature of WhatsApp that will run UPI and will allow its users to pay or do transactions through bank account. So very important. They're already running their pilot project. The beta testing they're already doing. So 10 million users or 1 crore testers would be there, are allowed to expand its operation to 1 crore users. So quite important. This is in the news right now. Okay, so let's move forward. So even for that SO interviews के लिए क्या पढ़े for the IBPS SO marketing, students have already prepared a proper course. Free course is available on Bank Exams Today. Please check. So RBI is conducting Financial Literacy Week, the Financial Literacy Week 2020, and it will start from 10th of February to 14th of February. So it was conducted from 10th of February to 14th of February. A focus was on the MSME, right? The basic aim of celebrating this week was to create awareness about key topics. Before this, the theme of the financial literacy in 2018-2019 was consumer protection. In 2018 it was consumer protection. In 2019 it was farmers. In 2020 it is MSME. Okay, so please remember that in 2018 it was consumer protection, 2019 it was farmers, and in 2020 it is MSME. Okay, so very important. So DICGC raises the insurance coverage for the depositors to 5 lakh rupees. So students, whenever you deposit money in a savings bank account, you used to get 1 lakh rupee of coverage. But now, as per the Union Budget 2020, that limit has been increased to 5 lakh rupee. So all the money that you have deposited in your saving bank account, that the insurance that you get, that the limit used to be 1 lakh rupee and now it is 5 lakh rupee. Please remember the full form of DICGC, and this is the new limit, 5 lakh rupee. Okay, so DICGC, Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation, right? So by Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation, DICGC, this is the name. Okay, so the limit was 1 lakh, but now it is 5 lakh. The announcement was made in the Union Budget 2020-2021. So DICGC, it is a wholly owned subsidiary of RBI, and the bank, I think they pay 12 paisa per 100 rupee as a premium to the DICGC, okay, for the insurance coverage. So now the cooperative banks would operate under RBI. So previously, I mean, they were not, the RBI didn't have the sole authority, but now the Union Cabinet has approved the amendment in the Banking Regulation Act to bring all the cooperative banks under the RBI. After the PMC scam, that decision has been taken. So as per the Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar, not really important to remember the name, but that move was made. Cooperative banks are now under RBI. And yes, very important, RBI in its 6th bi-monthly monetary policy review kept at present the repo rate is 5.15%, while the reverse repo rate is 4.9%. Please remember that, very very important. Please remember the rates. Okay, बहुत important है. Fitch projects India's GDP growth rate at 5.6% for financial year 21. So please remember, यहाँ पे financial year है, not 21. For financial year 21, I have made a complete list of forecasted GDP growth rate of by various institutions. Fitch, IMF, even RBI according to economic survey. I have made a proper list. Please go through that proper list. Okay, proper list दिया हुआ है. Please go through that. It's available on bankexamstoday.com as well. I'll provide a link in the description. ठीक है. So next, Paytm launched its Android POS device for SME and merchant partners. So Paytm launched an all-in-one payment gateway Android POS device for the SME and merchant partners. So Android-based POS device, which is something new already. So that device would help merchants to accept payment through Paytm wallet, all UPI based apps. So please remember, please focus here. This device will help the merchants to accept payment through Paytm wallet, all UPI based apps like Google Pay and all, and debit and credit cards as well as cash. Okay. Along with accepting payment, the merchant will also be able to generate GST compliant bills, so बहुत important है, and manage their transactions and settlement through their Paytm for Business app. So that's something new, that's something revolutionary. So Android based POS device, the Paytm, as you have seen in past, HDFC, SBI, they have their POS devices, but now Paytm is into the merchant banking business, right? Now they have their Android-based POS device. This is something new. I've never seen Android-based POS devices. I mean, in the past, I have seen all those, clumsy and all those outdated devices that, whenever you swipe your card, I mean, those clumsy devices are there. But now the Paytm has launched Android-based POS devices for the SME. Big threat to that, HDFC and SBI. And this will also generate the GST. So the device was launched by Paytm founder Vijay Shekhar Sharma and Infosys co-founder Nandan Nilekani, right? So very, very important. Please remember that. Okay. So students, Indian Bank SO Credit Officer course, Indian Bank SO Credit Officer course for both assistant manager and manager, in which I am providing video classes, notes, test series, complete coverage of the syllabus I'm providing, and this is my WhatsApp number, and you can use a coupon code GURU, and all the links are available in the description. Link to the course and link to my Telegram channel is available in the description. And this is the list of students in that IBPS SO Marketing 2019 who used our courses and cracked the exams. RRB Scale 2 All India topper was from our batch, and all the students who cracked this exam, the Scale 2 and Scale 3, the Bank of Baroda Wealth Management, the Bank of India Credit Officer, the Vijaya Bank Credit Officer, all these students, they used our study material and they cracked their exams, and now it's time for you, right? It's your time to join our course and crack the exam and get finally selected by the Indian Bank, right? So that's all for today, students. I'm giving my 100%, and if there is any doubt, you can always WhatsApp me. So that's all for today, students. Please follow me on Telegram and YouTube. So thank you and have a very nice day. And yes, I have a blog. There is bankexamstoday.com. If you are on desktop, you can go to bankexamstoday.com, and there you can join the course. So that's all for today, students. Thank you and have a very, very nice day. Bye.